doesn't want to get his feet wet.
Wait. Okay, whack!
Ready for impact. You got a girl can do your hair. Get you one of these. She fainted it. What are you talking about? Oh!
Uh-oh. That's not gonna be good.
Let's go. You can go. You can do it. Come on. Come on, Stu. In you go.
Someone does not like the sand whatsoever.
It's just sand, buddy.
You gotta go potty?
Oh my God.
Ready? Ready?
Sit. Can you smile? Oh!
You gonna be nice?
No.
Then get back in. No, get back in. No.
Please.
Nope, you gonna be good?
No.
No, then sit back down.
Look, you're getting nice and clean. I'll put some colder water on it. Baby, it's okay. Look, you're all clean.
Gotham City needs me. There's nowhere to hide.
All right, here you go. You ready for the touchdown? Go for the touchdown. Go for the touchdown. Oh!
Who put their head in there? Did you have your head in there? Right there. Who did it? Sammy. I want to know who had their head in there.
Remy. What did you do? Did you get food off the counter? Did you get food off the counter? Naughty dog. Look at this. A whole bag of tortillas.
Really, buddy?
I'm really nervous. Please don't fall.
No. I'm looking in the camera to see if my stance is good.
Catch your back. Oh, there you go. One hand.
Trying to escape, huh, Mort? Looks like you're a little too fat for that.
Who let the dog sleep in here? Who let that dog? Who let the dog sleep in here? How did that dog get in here?
Lulu, why are you on the table? Why are you on the table? Why? What are you doing up there? Are you trapped? Are you trapped?
Oh!
Bennett, are you ready for the big kick?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Here it comes again, Mom. Record it. You are recording. Record it. Oh,